Green building concept. I am Dr. Saravanan P, Associate Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. What is green building? As much as possible, we need to reduce the negative effects of a building to the environment and to the people. This is called green building. Any structure which is energy efficient, economical, and environmentally responsible from its location, construction, maintenance till its demolition is called a green building. Okay. For example, if you are using a locally available material to construct a wall, that is a green building. If you are using an ordinary brick which is come very far from the building site, that is not a green building. Use of natural materials, for example, in this place near to this college, more laterite is available. If you are using laterite for our wall construction, that is a green building. If you are using a brick which is come very far from here, that is not a green building. Okay, like this, as much as possible, wherever is a chance, we have to reduce the usage of sophisticated material. That is called as green building. Green building concept. So we need to reduce the wastage as much as possible. We need to reduce the wastage, and also green building have some special features. The features are rainwater harvesting, use of solar energy, preparation of landscape for reduce the heat, reduction of usage of water, recycling of wastewater, and energy efficient practices. These are the extra facilities available in green building to reduce the energy and to reduce the negative effects of a building to the environment. These facilities are there inside the building. That is called green building. In first case is rainwater harvesting. Instead, if you are using the borewell water always, that is not good for the environment. Okay. Instead, if you are using rainwater, if you collect the rainwater in a tank and use the tank water for all the purposes, that is less energy, less electricity will be there, because to use borewell water, more electricity will be necessary. To use ground level this type of tank water, only less electricity is necessary. This is energy efficient. If we are using solar energy, that is energy efficient. In place of using ordinary electricity for light fans, if we are using electricity, that is not green building. But if we are using solar energy, solar power, that is a green building. If possible, we can construct a dining or sitting places under the tree. If you are placing this kind of arrangement, not necessary of fan, lights are not necessary. So this will avoid the use of electricity. Energy is efficient like this arrangement. If you are using water, some grey water also, bath water and wash basin water, bathtub water, these are called as grey water. Okay, grey water, black water is different. That is coming from the toilets and urinals. That is black water that we can't reuse. But this kind of water, just showered water, wash basin water, bath water, these are the grey water. We can save that water in a septic tank and we can treat the water. The treated water can be properly utilized for the floor washing, flushing, and laundry and gardening. If you are using that, also kind of energy efficient. That also a kind of green building. These are the special arrangement gadgets available in green building. Water meter is available. Depends on the use of water, charging is there, so water usage will be minimized. And some special kind of tap is available. Sensor taps are there. If we are showing our hand, water will come. Otherwise, no water will come because of the sensor availability. This reduces the use of water. Mechanical automatic closer also there. Mechanically some taps automatically closing the water if you remove the hand, that also there. But this is sensor sophisticated. Then pressure reducing valves are there inside the building. Pressure reducing valves that reduces the pressure of your water in the tap. Okay, if pressure of the water is reduced, less water will come. Less water is enough for our purpose. Simply to wash hand, high pressure water is necessary. That is not necessary. Then also while using shower bath, that also good material, good gadget, shower bath, to reduce the water usage. If you are simply without shower bath, if you are bathing, if 2 bucket is necessary, with shower bath only 1 bucket is necessary, because shower is spraying the water, not in a particular location, it is spraying some particular area. Due to the spray, only less water is necessary if you are using shower bath. Some special kind of arrangement in toilets also there, that is water efficient toilet. That kind of flush, some special arrangement is there, that is giving high pressure water. Though water is available very less, it is giving high pressure water, that we can use. Then insulation. Why we need AC and heater inside the building? We need AC to cool the room, we need a heater to heat the room. But in this kind of brick, special kind of brick, hollow brick, this is, if we are using this hollow brick, and the gap between two hollow brick, some foam arrangement also will be there. If we are using this kind of wall, the heat will not enter inside the building, and also the warmness of the room will not go out during the winter season, and heat will not enter into the building during the summer season. This way we can reduce the usage of AC and AC and heater. This way we can reduce the use of electricity construction. Structural insulated panels. So green buildings always they are giving importance to insulation. If we are giving importance to insulations, AC and heater usage will be less. Power is completely that electricity charge is much less. So we are giving more importance to the insulation. These structural insulated panels are there. These are two plywood like arrangement is there at the end. Inside some foaming like arrangement is there. This is for insulation of the wall. Insulated concrete forms also there. In this case, there are concrete forms are available at the inside and outside end of the wall, and in the mid of the wall, some concrete steel like arrangement is there, that we can concreting is possible. So this is a concrete wall with the insulated concrete wall. These are all to insulate the building, to reduce the electricity charges. Straw bales are, straw is after harvesting of wheat and rice, the field have straw. We can use the straw, we can make some cubes using the straw, and that straw cubes can be used for construction of the walls for the building. That is high level insulated material. Some places they are using cordwood, small round wooden panels that we can use in place of brick. Cement will be used for mortar purpose, to joining purpose cement can be used, and this is cordwood arrangement is also there for this insulation purpose. Bamboo, here initially they are constructing a bamboo walls, bamboo panels is there, then they are covering the bamboo panels by using a cement. This is also good insulation material. Natural fiber board they are placing for insulation purpose only. Cork board also there for insulation purpose. instead of this also is many times it is used for roofing purpose and wall purpose. Roofing purpose, it should be protected properly to avoid erosion from the rain. Advantage of green building: energy efficiency, water efficiency. If everything is efficiently used, efficient technologies are used, easy to maintain, less electricity charge will become, and more profit will be there. Return on investment. Improved indoor air quality, waste reduction will be there, that is ensured. Temperature moderated in will be inside the building, inside the room. Water conservation is there. Economical construction for poor, very economical, very cheap building we can construct with locally available material. Healthy lifestyles and recreation purpose will be there inside the green building. Health also improved if we construct green building. These are some green buildings constructed in India: ITC Green Center, Gurgaon; Patni Knowledge Center, Noida; Olympia Tech Park, Chennai; Indira Prayavaran Bhavan. So these are the green buildings available in India. There are many green buildings are available. This only